Hey guys, welcome to Daniel Tech YouTube channel. I'm going to teach you on how to create websites. But first, if you want to be a website developer or a software engineer, this is the right channel for you. So before you start watching, I want you to subscribe and then click on the notification button. Anytime I upload video, you can always see it. So let's begin. So before you start anything, or you start a journey as a website developer or as a website developer or a software engineer, you must need this. I recommend people downloading the Visual Studio Code. Very easy, very simple to access, and then the Git Bash. So now let's begin. So the first thing is you create a folder. Create folder. So this folder, now you can decide to rename your folder to any name of your choice. Okay, I'm going to start with blog web. So let's start with that, the blog web. So whatever name you like, maybe you like Daniel, maybe you like tech, you like websites, whatever name you want, you can put it. So the next step is you have to click on the right side here, and then you see show more options. You see the open pin to quick access, that compress, copy as property, but you don't need all those. So you just go straight to the show more options. On this show more option, now you see get git kill here, git bash here, but now you're going to open with code. You understand? You open with code. So first thing first, you try to try to go now it's better. You have it on one side, and then so that's it. So let's start with that. So now you've seen the blog web. This is the blog web. So the first thing you have to do is new folder. You need a new folder, and the name of that new folder must be index. Start with that, and then you need a new file. You create a new file, which is index.html. Since you're learning HTML, you have to specify it to HTML. You can even decide to use Daniel, but it still must be .html. You understand? But I would advise you, and I recommend to you use your index.html. So the first thing you have to do is create your doc type. That's the first thing, the doc type HTML. And then the next thing is your HTML. You have to specify your web page to be on HTML. You understand? So that's it, HTML. So whatever thing you write in the heading, the body, everything must be inside the HTML. So let's start with the body. With the head. So we have title first. Title, you must always have a title. Your title is mandatory. For that should be the first thing you do before you start anything. So your title should be any one of your choice, but just to follow my example, you use blog entertainer. Entertainer. So after that, then you have the body. The bundle is where you can have your paragraph, your heading one, your heading one, heading two, heading three, heading four, heading five, head to heading six, and you can even style on the heading, and you can also style. You can style the body. You can also style the head. So that's it. And so we're going to start with the H. The H one. The H one is what? The heading one. So you click on, let's say, Daniel Tech School. Understand? And then the second one should be, maybe it should be a paragraph here. P. Let's say Daniel Tech School teaches you to be a website developer. So you don't, yeah, so that's it. So this is your first step of it being of you learning your HTML. This is your first step. So do not forget, yeah, on this file you have to make sure it is auto-saved. Yeah. So as you're writing your code, everything is being saved here. You understand? So you don't lose it. Okay, so let me give you guys a hint. So let me try to run this now. Okay, so yeah, let me try to run it. So yeah, this is what you just did right now. So just hold on. Yeah. So just hold on while I try to adjust this so it can be here. So very good. This is what you just did. This is your title, blog entertainer. You can see it here, and then you can see your Daniel Tech School. You can see it here, and then you can see your Daniel School teaches you on to be a website developer. You can see it here. So you understand, guys? It's very easy. Follow my channel closely. You understand? And before you know it, you'll be a website developer. Trust me on that. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So let me give you guys a bonus. So let's try again. Let's try. Okay, let's see. P again, paragraph again. Daniel Strong. Yeah. Tech is superb. Yeah. So you can see it right now. Daniel Tech is superb. So now, before the strong makes a text very bold. It makes the text makes it different from the rest. So you can see it over here. You can see Daniel strong. So you see it over here. You see Daniel Tech is superb. So the tech here is strong. It's being written boldly. Understand that? And also you can decide to write your. Okay, let me show you guys another trick. You can decide to write a break.